Assalamualaikum. Let's talk about how to use this polished exfoliant. There are so many different ways that people use it, but I'm gonna explain you how I use it. I like to use it after I wash my face, and then I will go with a hydrating toner that is obviously CeraVe. I will let this dry. Then I will put some drops on a cotton pad and pat it into my skin. And then I will let this dry. Now it's completely dry, and I'm gonna use a Centella Ampoule. Put the ampoule into your skin, and then I'll go with Sunstick. I'm gonna use wishfulskin moisturizer क्योंकि बिल्कुल खत्म होने वाला है. Usually I like to use it at night because I want to avoid sun exposure. लेकिन अगर मैं इसको दिन में इस्तेमाल करूँ तो आफ्टर में मैं SPF जरूर अप्लाई करती हूँ. I'm gonna use this glow stick. I recommend to starting off using this once or twice a week just to make sure your skin doesn't experience any irritation. If your skin doesn't get irritated, then you can gradually build it up. I will definitely not recommend it कि आप इसको हर रोज इस्तेमाल करें. I think it is probably going to be irritating for most people. Once you have used it, you can use it every day.